Well, Diego, I know you had a couple of tough losses, but you had a fantastic 2015. What was the key to success? What changed, and why was it such a good year for you?
I just start a new life right now. I like to let know my fans, and now I'm in São Paulo, Brazil, train hard. The last two lots I have before, I think I lost for myself. I continue to say all the time I lost for myself, and now I feel happy to be back, train hard. I have my big family around me now. My mother, my daughter, my sister, my brother. So I put all my guys together now with my family. So this is what I'm looking for: comfort and be happy to train wherever we are.
Very nice. Fantastic performance last time out. Very quick. You got a nice little bonus for your efforts. I'm curious, did you get to enjoy that money at all? I know you got a nice new suit there. Did you have any fun with that money?
Yeah, the money I use, I buy the suit. But I'm very happy for my performance. I'm happy for. I wanna make this year is my year. You know, in 2016, I definitely gonna get my title fight.
Very nice. You, I noticed on social media, it seems like you're pretty excited fighting in Vegas. Is this something special for you to get the opportunity to fight here?
Yeah, MGM is like for me, Las Vegas for me is like my house. You know, I live here, the Ultimate Fighter. I fight here a lot. I fight here for the finale, so I feel very comfortable here, special here at the MGM. I sleep well, the bed, everything's good for me. Like I say, this is like my house.
Brian Ortega had a great fight last time out too. Very fun fight to watch. What do you think about him? What do you think about his skills, and what did you think about that last fight that he had?
I think Brian, he's a great fighter. He's a jiu-jitsu guy, but I'm from Manaus, Brazil. We made the jiu-jitsu. We know how to break the jiu-jitsu as well. And about Brian, I think I'm a better strike. I think I'm a better jiu-jitsu guy. I think I'm a better wrestler. So I think it's going to be a war for Brian.
I wonder, because he does seem more of a very jiu-jitsu only kind of fighter. Is this a chance for you to maybe go out and kind of show your jiu-jitsu roots that you came from, or are you still that Mike Tyson in there?
Yeah, it's like my coach Flavio always say, you know, we're gonna put the boat there and we're gonna see what he's gonna do, you know, because my goal is to finish and click how much I can click, you know. But if he's try to sit on the ground to put me for roll, maybe I go, maybe not, because I want to put a great show for my fans. This is Las Vegas, this is MGM, you need to come over here and fight hard, like a war, you know.
You mentioned the title fight in 2016. Is it a title fight against Conor McGregor? Is that what you look forward to? Does it matter who he fights, and do you just want the title itself?
Yeah, I especially for, like a Conor, he's beat Aldo. I think Aldo deserves a revenge, but rematch, and Conor never finished me, you know. I cricket from my fight by myself. I was no preparer, I was no wedding like I am now. And what I want to say is, when I got my title fight, I will gonna win. You know, I will gonna win my fight. And I know how to do the big competitions. You know, Conor is lucky right now. Be out. I know 100% he's lucky.
It sounds like Conor may go up to 155 pounds, which I think is kind of a shame for Frankie Edgar. I think he deserves that fight. What if it was Aldo? What if Aldo was the champion again? Would you fight Aldo, a fellow Brazilian, fellow Manaus?
Yeah, if Aldo's holding the title, definitely we don't have any problem to fight. We talk in chat, we friends from Manaus. But he's knowing this is a business, this is a dream. Every fighter I want to be a champion, you know, at least one time, you know. So this is my goal, to be a champion too. I want to hold the belt one day in my ribs.
Fantastic. Well, what are we going to see on Saturday night? What's Diego Brandao going to do?
You're going to see the best Diego Brandao ever. You guys going to see the Ultimate Fighter Season 14, all line.